Cottage gardens have long been admired for their rustic appeal, overflowing with a diverse tapestry of plants that evoke a sense of romance and nostalgia. We'll delve into the world of cottage gardening, exploring 15 enchanting plants that not only add a touch of romantic charm to your outdoor space, but also thrive in the informal and relaxed atmosphere typical of cottage gardens. From timeless classics to lesser-known gems, these plants are sure to transport you to a bygone era of floral abundance and whimsical beauty. 1. Roses. No cottage garden is complete without the timeless elegance of roses. These enduring symbols of love and beauty come in a myriad of varieties, from climbing roses that gracefully adorn trellises to compact shrub roses that fill the air with their intoxicating fragrance. Consider classics like Gertrude Jekyll for its rosy pink blooms or the hardy New Dawn for its vigorous climbing habit. 2. Lavender. The soothing scent of lavender is a signature fragrance in cottage gardens. With its aromatic silvery green foliage and spikes of purple flowers, lavender adds a touch of romance while attracting pollinators. Varieties like Hidcote or Munstead are perfect choices for their compact size and easy maintenance. 3. Foxglove. With its tall spires of tubular flowers, foxglove adds vertical interest to cottage gardens. The nodding bells of foxglove come in various colors, including shades of pink, purple, and white. Digitalis purpurea is a classic choice, while Foxglove Excelsior Hybrid offers a mix of captivating hues. 4. Clematis. Known for its climbing prowess, clematis brings a touch of whimsy to cottage garden fences and trellises. The vast array of colors and forms, from delicate single petals to large double blooms, make clematis a versatile choice. Consider Nellie Mosier for its striking pink stripes or Jackmanii for deep purple richness. 5. Peonies. The lush, voluptuous blooms of peonies make them a beloved addition to cottage gardens. These perennial beauties come in a range of colors, including blush pinks, whites, and rich reds. Sarah Bernhardt is a classic choice with its fragrant double pink flowers, while Bowl of Beauty captivates with its unique, bowl-shaped blossoms. 6. Delphiniums. Delphiniums, with their tall spikes of vibrant flowers, add a vertical exclamation point to cottage garden landscape. Shades of blue, pink, and white create a visual spectacle, and varieties like Pacific Giants offer a striking presence. These hardy perennials thrive in well-drained soil and add a touch of drama to the garden. 7. Sweet peas. The delicate and fragrant blooms of sweet peas are a must-have for any romantic cottage garden. These climbing plants come in an array of colors, and their sweet fragrance is irresistible. Spencer varieties, known for their large ruffled flowers, are particularly charming and evoke a sense of nostalgia. 8. Hollyhocks. Tall and stately, hollyhocks are quintessential cottage garden plants. Their spires of large, saucer-shaped flowers create a dramatic backdrop. Classic varieties like Alcia rosea offer a range of colors, including soft pastels and deep maroons. These self-seeding biennials add a touch of cottage garden whimsy to any landscape. 9. Bleeding heart. The delicate, heart-shaped flowers of bleeding heart plants add a touch of romance to shady corners of the cottage garden. Decentra spectabilis produces arching stems adorned with drooping pink or white blooms. The unique form of these flowers adds an enchanting element to the garden, especially when planted alongside ferns and hostas. 10. Columbines. With their distinctive spurred flowers, columbines bring a sense of delicacy to cottage gardens. These dainty blooms come in various colors, including shades of blue, pink, and yellow. Aquilegia vulgaris is a classic choice, while newer varieties like Songbird offer vibrant hues and compact growth habits. 11. Daisies. Simple yet charming, daisies are a staple in cottage gardens. Varieties like Leucanthemum X Superbum Shasta Daisy, with its classic white petals surrounding a yellow center, or the cheerful Coreopsis with its golden blooms, add a sunny disposition to the garden. Daisies are easy to grow and provide a timeless appeal. 12. Butterfly bush. As the name suggests, butterfly bushes, Buttelja, are magnets for butterflies, bringing animated beauty to the cottage garden. Their long panicles of fragrant flowers come in various colors, including shades of purple, pink, and white. Buttelja davidii is a popular choice, and its arching branches create a graceful silhouette in the garden. 13. Salvias. Salvias, with their spiky flower clusters and aromatic foliage, are excellent additions to cottage gardens. Varieties like Salvia nemorosa or Salvia X sylvestris offer a range of colors from deep purples to vibrant pinks. These hardy perennials are not only visually appealing, but also attract pollinators, enhancing the ecological balance of the garden. 14. Astilbes. Astilbes are valued for their feathery plumes of flowers that rise above fern-like foliage. These shade-loving perennials come in various colors, including soft pinks, purples, and whites. Astilbe X aurantiae varieties are popular choices, providing a graceful and elegant presence in the garden's dappled sunlight. 15. Monarda. Also known as bee balm, Monarda adds a burst of color and attracts pollinators with its tubular flowers. Varieties like Monarda didyma or Jacob Klein offer vibrant red hues, while others, like Panorama series, provide a spectrum of colors. With its aromatic foliage and resistance to deer, Monarda is a versatile and charming addition to cottage gardens. In the realm of cottage gardening, these 15 plants with romantic charm contribute to a nostalgic yet vibrant tapestry of colors and fragrances. Whether you're creating a new cottage garden or enhancing an existing one, incorporating these timeless and enchanting plants will transport you to a world of whimsical beauty and natural elegance. Embrace the romance of the cottage garden and let these plants weave a story of floral abundance and enduring allure in your outdoor sanctuary.